Everything you're watching was made using free AI tools. No 3D software, no animation skills needed. Hi, this is Kayy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this animated cartoon video completely free using only AI tools. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. AI can now create amazing animation, but there's still one big problem that ruins many videos: character consistency. One scene looks perfect, and in the next scene, the character suddenly looks different. In this video, you'll learn a simple method to keep your character the same from beginning to end. I'll show you 4 easy steps using free tools so you can make clean, high-quality AI cartoon animations, even if you're totally new. Here's the exact animation we're making today.
Audie, where are you? Who's there? No, stay back!
Leave him alone!
I thought I lost you.
You didn't lose me. I was trying to find you too.
You don't have to guess anything. I've shared the master prompts in the description. This prompt will give you full story, image prompts, animation prompt. You don't need to do all work separately. Just copy and paste it and follow each step. You can also change the story as per your idea. Now I'll guide you through the full workflow from start to finish. Let's begin. Step 1. Create the full animation plan with ChatGPT. First, copy the main prompt from the description. Paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you everything: a full story script, clear character descriptions, text-to-image prompts for your characters and every scene, plus image-to-video prompts with the dialogue already inside them. So, after step 1, you already have the script, the visuals plan, and all prompts for the full animation. Step 2. Now we will create the characters and scene images. For this, I will use Whisk. This is a free tool. You can generate unlimited images with the help of this tool. First, sign in with your Google account. Now, generate your characters one by one. Copy first character prompts from ChatGPT and paste here. Now copy the second character prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk, and generate again. This one also looks amazing. The details, expressions, and render quality look super clean and professional. Once created, drag them into the subject box here for consistent characters. Now we'll generate the scene images. This is where it starts to feel like a real animated movie. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 text-to-image prompt. Paste it into Whisk and create. Boom! Your first scene appears with strong detail. The lighting looks clean, the environment feels cinematic, and the characters look sharp in the frame. Now copy the Scene 2 prompt, paste it, and create again. The consistency still holds. The characters match, nothing breaks, and the scene fits the story perfectly. You can generate scenes very fast, and the results stay clean and usable. Repeat this for the remaining scenes. Copy the prompt, paste in Whisk, and generate. Once all scene images are done, we'll move to the next step. Step 3. Turn your images into 3D animation clips using Grok. Now it's time to bring everything to life. Open Grok and sign in with your Google account. Now, click on Imagine. Upload your first scene image. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image-to-video prompt with the full dialogue. Paste it into Grok and click Generate. The image instantly becomes a real animated shot. The motion is smooth, the expressions feel real, and the lip sync looks surprisingly accurate, like a mini studio animation. Next, upload your second scene image. Copy the second image-to-video prompt, paste it into Grok, and generate. Again, another clean clip. The characters still look the same, the movement is smooth, and the dialogue matches the mouth animation. Now it starts to feel like real connected scenes instead of random AI clips. The animation stays consistent, the emotions match the scene, and the lip sync remains accurate. Repeat this for all remaining scenes. Upload the image, paste the prompt, and generate. When all clips are ready, download them one by one. Now you have a full set of high-quality animated shots ready to join together. Step 4. Now it's time for editing. For editing, I am going to use CapCut, a 100% free editing software. Now we'll turn the clips into a full story. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all generated clips and place them on the timeline in order. Add smooth transitions so the video flows well. Add soft whoosh sounds on transitions. If everything looks good, then export your video in a 16:9 ratio. And that's it. You just made a full animated story using AI, completely free. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next video.